picked up a Lee Enfield No1 Mk3 SMLE from, it looks like 1918, but it is nice. It's a heavy gun. So you got the safety right here. You can press, safety's off. So bolt is actually really smooth. You can pull the trigger. Really nice. So you have these wood pieces that go around the barrel. Looks like the top ones are darker and the bottom ones are a lighter wood. Got the rear sight is adjustable. Can lift it up and press this thing, move it along, and that'll adjust for how far you're planning to shoot. Goes back down. Got a place to put a strap right here. In the front, looks like a bayonet holder right here. And you got the front sight, front of the barrel. It's used, but it's in pretty good condition for being as old as it is. And you got the magazine, and you can press this button right here. This comes out. You can see right through there. This is a 10-rounder, so I actually have some dummies right here. Can put in and test it. It shoots 303 British, which is a big cartridge. It's good for hunting. Oh, love that. So trigger's nice. The bolts is really smooth. I love that. And it looks like I don't know if you guys can see this. Right here, it looks like stripper clips would be put in. You just put them in there and press your ammo in. I've also heard you can mount another rear sight or some kind of scope mount right here, which I might look into doing. Maybe put a 4x on here. And you got the stock. It's an old wood. It's a gold ring that's supposed to go here, which would have I believe it's the name or the number of whoever this rifle belonged to. You would have, you know, your ring, say if you were in the military. Here you got the butt. Looks like a brass maybe. A little container that, little compartment that opens up. Now you can't see anything, but way down in there, goes all the way down, is a screw that connects it to the rest of the gun. And you got another, what's it called? A little strap hook right there. Put this back in. And it locks in pretty nice. Wiggles a bit, but nothing crazy. It's a nice gun. Haven't shot it yet, but I'm looking forward to, because I don't know, something about these old guns, these old military rifles. I love them. The cars, the Springfields, you know, Car 98 or Mauser, whatever you want to call it. I like them. Or a Mosin. Right here. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me move the camera. It says, yeah, right here. 19, is that 18 it looks like? 1918, 1919, 1910. Who knows? Somewhere around there. Pre-1920, 19 teens. And you got short Lee Enfield Mk3. Looks like a GR. I don't know what that is. Something. And then Enfield. It's a little worn down, but this is a nice gun. I'm looking down sight. Let's put that safety back on. Alright, so this is what you see. Looking down. Right there. See if I can get it focused. There we go. It's not bad. I like it. I'm definitely going to invest in a scope though. For sure. 4 times. Now I've seen people drill right here into the metal to mount the scope, side mount, which I don't necessarily want to do with this, considering it's from the early 1900s, and I feel weird drilling a hole into something like this. Maybe if it was a Glock or, you know, something that's more common, and I don't know. I like history. I like these old things. I don't plan on changing it that much. But I've seen people, you can drill holes and put a side mount for a scope, but I've also seen ones where you attach it in here because there's a screw hole and you put it on top. It doesn't attach up here. The one I want, because I don't want to cut any wood. I've seen another one that does the same thing, and you have to cut out some wood and put a ring around so it'll stay in place in the front and then be screwed in right here in the back so the scope doesn't wiggle around a bunch. This is nice. And I'm surprised I got this and all of the parts match. They all have the same serial number. 7600 right there. You got 7600 right here. You got, I think there was one on here somewhere. I don't know where. I thought I saw one somewhere on the bolt. I don't remember where. I believe there was one up here. Maybe not. I'm just seeing things. There you go. Another one right here on the edge of the gun. If it'll focus. Yeah. 7600. And yeah. Super good gun. Trigger moves a bit. Visually, I love it. So, if you're thinking about buying one, you won't be disappointed.